Well, hello, it's me, MrSasaki, and today we're doing sChorus, song number 3 in Suzuki Viola Book 2. If you want the playthrough, use the chapter 2 below and skip ahead. sChorus, this song is probably my student's favorite in Book 2. One of my favorites, super catchy, but there are two problems that keep recurring when my students are learning this piece. First problem, adding extra up-bows. Do not add extra up-bows. There are only 3 locations where we have 2 up-bows in a row. First one, measure 4. Right? Down, up, up. Measure 12. There's only 2 notes. Both are up-bow. Up, and the second ending. Down, up, down. And that's it. We start up-bow. That's the only other kind of unusual up-bow that we have. Everything else, don't add any extra up-bows. Just do it as it is. The second thing that's causing problems is the coolest part. The cruelest part, because it sounds the best and the most awesome part of the piece, but the hardest part. And it is this. Okay? 25, 26, 29, and 30. Those are the measures. Now, the reason why it's difficult is here. Okay? So we have a blind 3 to a blind 2. And a low 2 at that. So 3, 2A, 3, 2A, 3, 2A, 3, 2A. So we're just finding that out of nowhere because there's no other fingers to be next to or close to, okay? So that's what makes it tricky. I would say practice it slowly. The issue is we also have that bunny hop rhythm. Bunny hop, fast, fast, slow. So we want to make sure we do it slowly, confident, and then we'll get it. The A is also going to be, think of it as our experiment, our constant. The 3 and the 2 are the variables. We want to make sure that those variables become pretty clear because the constant doesn't lie. So if we're out of tune, you'll hear it when you get to the open A. Time for the playthrough. So allegro. So generally happy. Here we go. 1 and 2. Super exciting, right? Energy everywhere, staccatos, super awesome piece. Hey, let me know how you're doing in the comments below. Did I find your problem spots? Let me know. If you found value in this, like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.